I'm recording it again.
Without high it up. Ready?
Sure. No, don't come close to me. That's why I'm backing up.
Straight up, you ready?
Sure. Rocky! William, don't hit the dog. How do you know? It already hit me.
What's the matter? You ready for your picture? You ready for your close-up? Just don't let Uncle Bill have it. Whoa! There's a race.
Alright, William, let me throw it. It's been a minute.
Can I try it, William?
No! No! Thanks a lot, William. But it was my turn next. Whoa, look at the airplane, William. William, that's a real airplane. I told you, William. I told you. William, wow. Wait, throw it.
Yeah, throw it.
Throw it. William, that's a real airplane up there.
Just threw it at your wife and it broke.
Planes are useless.
Threw it at my wife.
Planes are useless.